Everybody keeps saying, the model this, the model that, but no one ever stops to explain what a model actually is. Here's the simplest way I can put it. A model is just a mathematical recipe. You put something in, a question, a photo, a sentence, and the recipe does its thing and spits something out. An answer, a label, a prediction. That's it. Input in, input out. That's a model. Now, how does it get that recipe? That's what we call training. Imagine a chef who tastes thousands and thousands of dishes. Over time, they start to recognize patterns, what combinations of ingredients work, what doesn't, what makes something taste good. Training is the same idea. You show the model massive amounts of data, and it figures out the patterns. The result of all that learning is the recipe, the model. Once the recipe exists, using it is called inference. You're not teaching it anything new. You're just following the recipe. You ask ChatGPT a question, inference. You upload a photo and it tells you what's in it, inference. Training creates the recipe, inference uses it. So when you hear names like GPT-4 or Claude or Gemini, those are just the names of the recipes. Different chefs, different kitchens, different training data. Same idea underneath. Models, not magic, just math. Follow along for the next video, and if you've got AI questions, drop them in the comments. I'm Daniel with Cadmus Lab, and thanks for tuning in for our AI Zero to Hero series.